It removes 83% of mold and fungus types from grout. This natural cleaning solution is cheap and effective. The silicone will look like new. Squeeze the juice from 2 lemons. They contain natural citric acid, which acts as a mild antifungal and antibacterial agent. It can inhibit mold growth. Add 1 tablespoon of salt to the juice and mix well. Pour the entire mixture into a spray bottle. The most important part is how you use the mixture. Spray it on the grout and silicone where mold has appeared. Then, do not wipe it off. Cover it with plastic wrap. This will strengthen and speed up the effect. After 10 minutes, remove the plastic wrap and wipe with a sponge. The salt will help mechanically remove the mold. This is a completely natural and safe method for cleaning the shower. I repeat this process every 2 weeks. Mold in the grout in your shower will disappear in minutes. If you've got mold in your bathroom, you can quickly and effectively remove it with this simple home remedy that always works. You only need 2 ingredients to prepare this solution. First, get a spray bottle. A spray bottle is perfect for this trick. Place a funnel in the bottle's opening to make pouring easier. Add 2 teaspoons of dish soap to the bottle. Then pour in a cup of vinegar. Vinegar effectively kills bacteria and mold. Mix the solution thoroughly. This mixture removes dirt, unpleasant odors, and mold. Now just spray the mixture on the bathroom wall tiles, shower doors, and moldy grout, which is often found around the shower. Wipe it down with a cloth and dry thoroughly. You'll quickly notice how the surfaces become clean and shiny. In no time, they will look like new. It cleans drains better than commercial products. The unpleasant smell coming from the drain will disappear. This mixture leaves your sink clean and fresh smelling. Does water sometimes not drain from your sink? Or does it drain, but very slowly? If so, be sure to watch this video until the end. I'll show you how to clean and unclog your sink or drain. Start by pouring half a cup of dish soap into a container. Dish soap is a great degreaser. It dissolves fats that enter the drain from washing your hands or face after applying creams. Even soaps often contain fats. Dish soap will break them down if they've accumulated in the drain. Next, add vinegar, about the same amount, half a cup. Vinegar disinfects and, together with the other ingredients, helps unclog blocked drains. Now, add a tablespoon of salt and mix everything together. This simple combination is the perfect solution for a clogged sink, and it also smells pleasant. But that's not all. Pour the mixture into a smaller container for easier use. Remove the drain plug from the sink. Then sprinkle 2 large tablespoons of baking soda into the drain. Pour the prepared mixture over the baking soda. Since it contains vinegar, you'll see a bubbling reaction. Let the mixture sit in the sink for about 20 minutes to work its magic. Afterward, plug the drain and fill the sink with plenty of hot water. Finally, release the water. The hot water will flush away everything the mixture has dissolved. Your sink will be clean and any unpleasant odors will be gone. The ventilation grill will work like new. Just one thing is enough to clean it without removing it. The amount of moisture in the bathroom and throughout the house depends on the operation of the ventilator. Few people check if it works properly, but all it takes is a piece of paper. If you put it against the grill, it should stick. If the ventilation properly extracts air, it will hold the paper or piece of paper without any problems. But what if the ventilation isn't working properly? Check if the grill itself needs cleaning. If there is a lot of dirt and dust on it, it may restrict its operation. Some grills can be removed. Before you do that, prepare some baking soda. Dilute it with water. Take the grill and a toothbrush. Clean the grill above the sink. Rinse it off and reinstall it. You can also clean the grill without removing it. All you need is a cloth and a knife. Dampen the cloth with dishwashing liquid. Wrap it around the knife. This way, you can clean the slots in the ventilation grillee without removing it. Some grills can accumulate a lot of dirt. After such a treatment, the ventilation should work much better. Stick it onto your bathroom tiles. You'll never see limescale on them again. And the mold in the grout? Gone. All without using harsh chemicals. This trick completely changed my bathroom cleaning routine. All you need to do is spray the tiles. The rest is done by a special kind of paper. Just press it onto the tiles and leave it for a few minutes. To prepare it, you only need a few ingredients that you definitely have at home. You'll never waste money on expensive cleaners again. Grab a spray bottle. Take one of these little packets. It's citric acid. Pour the entire packet of citric acid into the bottle. Add water. Close the bottle and give it a good shake. The citric acid needs to dissolve completely. Spray the mixture generously all over the tiles where the problem is. Stick toilet paper onto the tiles. On the wall by the shower or lower down above the shower tray. Because you sprayed the tiles first, the paper will stick easily. For even better results, spray the paper too. Make sure it's fully soaked. After 20 to 30 minutes, peel the paper off the tiles. It will come off effortlessly. Rinse the tiles thoroughly. Just look at the result. They shine beautifully. With no trace of limescale, citric acid dissolves it perfectly. And on top of that, it smells fresh. Drop some toothpaste into boiling water. You can make the best homemade silverware polish right in your kitchen. Pour about a quart of water into a pot, add a tablespoon of baking soda, then a tablespoon of sugar. Once the water starts boiling, add a tablespoon of toothpaste and stir well. Place your dull silverware into the mixture and let it boil for about 10 minutes. Take it out, wipe it with a cloth, and you'll see the shine instantly. Your silverware will look brand new, and you'll save money on expensive polishers. Try it today and enjoy sparkling results. Just 2 tablespoons are enough to make toilet stains and limescale disappear. Cleaning your toilet has never been this easy. There's a simple and effective solution, and everything you need is already at home. Start by grabbing a small plastic container. Pour in about 2 cups of water. Warm water works best. Add 3 tablespoons of citric acid. This natural descaler breaks down limescale, rust, and other buildup without harsh chemicals. Next, add a bit of dish soap. It cuts through grime and grease and, combined with the citric acid, creates a powerful yet gentle cleaning mix. Stir well until the citric acid fully dissolves. Now it's ready to use. Soak a few pieces of paper towel in the mixture. Then place them all around the toilet bowl, especially under the rim. That's where limescale builds up the most. The paper helps keep the solution in place where liquid alone would normally run off. Once the bowl is lined with soaked paper, pour the remaining mixture directly onto the sides of the bowl. Leave everything for about an hour. After that, remove the paper and wipe the bowl clean. That's it. No scrubbing, no harsh store-bought cleaners. Just a cheap, safe, and natural way to make your toilet sparkle. You'll never go back to chemical cleaners again.